Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reinstall audio driver Windows 11. We will access the device manager from the Start menu. Now display the option, Audio Inputs and Outputs. There, right-click on the speakers and choose the option, Update Driver. There, click on the option, Browse my computer for drivers. Then open the option, Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will select the driver to install and click Next. Wait for this process to finish and the audio drivers will have been reinstalled on Windows 11. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.